Good morning from Singapore. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I've been in Singapore for like a couple of days already and I haven't had breakfast for those few days. I've been like sleeping late, waking up late, and so yeah, in this video I decided to wake up early and then go for some local cuisine at some local food court. So yeah, I'm actually hiking towards Punggol Park. And yeah, there's like a food court that I know somewhere around there. So yeah, gonna be having breakfast there. My first breakfast after a couple of days. So the hiking trail is actually on the other side, right there. But you know, Singapore is Singapore and it's like a garden city everywhere. Like even though this is just a normal walkway, it literally looks like a garden. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop talking and yeah, see you guys at the food court. It's a beautiful day. Oh my god. Beautiful morning. Okay, I'll shut up. I know my singing is not great, but I'm in a really good mood today. Don't know why. I should wake up early in the next day. See if I'm still the same. That right there smells so good for some reason. Alright, we're here. Right beside me is the Punggol Park, but we're not going to the park. We're gonna eat first. Alright, first item on the menu is the coffee. It's a must when you come to Singapore. This coffee is somewhat like a Vietnamese coffee, but it is relatively strong, but it's not too sweet. You know, when you order a coffee in Vietnam, they give you like really, you know, intense, like almost like an espresso shot, and the amount of condensed milk that they put in is just crazy. But this is like a balanced version of it. Enough, like, you know, hot water, enough coffee, and just nice, just right amount of condensed milk. Oh. Is good. Perfect. Right, my order is here. Thank you. Thank you, auntie. So wow, she already cracked up an egg for me, 2 eggs. So yeah, let me just get a quick B-roll of that. Alright, it's here. So I've got myself a kaya butter toast. It's a must, but this is not the best place to have kaya butter toast, to be honest, but this is like the nearest, and I want to hike to the park, so this is the best option for me today in this vlog. Anyway, it comes with 2 soft-boiled eggs and a kaya bun, soft bread with some butter and some kaya. So I like to eat this first before it gets soft. People like to dip it in the egg. I don't. I just like to go straight. Wow. Even though it's not like the best out here, this is still very good. It was a good bite. Okay, let's prepare the egg. I like to add a little bit of soy sauce. Oops, I think I added too much. And a little bit of pepper. honestly, I hate this stuff. I hate the taste of it. Not a big fan of it, but it's a very good energy booster in the morning. 2 eggs straight up, you know. So what I do, this is what I do. I just go straight in without tasting it. Swallow that. And chuck that to one corner and get back to my kaya toast. I could just order the bread, but you know, I somehow want to eat the set and somehow want to get that 2 eggs and a coffee. So yeah, every time I'll just chuck those 2 eggs in and then enjoy the bread. So I'm full and not full at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna have something else for round 2. Alright, so this is one of my favorite, man. Next up on the menu is the bihun. I've got myself some kind of, I've never really know what this is, but I know that it's like minced meat wrapped around with like spring roll kind of wrapping. And yeah, this just tastes so good. Dip that in the chili. There's like a few vegetables inside as well. And I went with the classic chicken nuggets. Wow, and the chili is really good. It's not spicy at all, but it has some kind of like a spice. I don't know if you guys get it, but a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, and a little bit of that, you know, fragrant chili. Okay, let's try out the bihun. This is good. They used to sell like on the side without the store, but they have upgraded now into a store now. So that's really nice to see. And I realized prices have, you know, gone up within a year. Coffee from 120 is now 150. I think the toast was around 350, and this cost me $5. So yeah, I think I've just spent around $10, almost $10 on breakfast. But I will spend that for my first breakfast in Singapore after a couple of days, like 4 days. The bihun itself is already very good. You don't really need the toppings, but a few toppings helps, you know. But they don't have like some vegetables option. I wanted to go with some green vegetables, but they don't have it. So good. Please educate me what this is. I just love it, and I don't know the name. Shame. I'll definitely be full after finishing this plate. Wow. So good. This is the proper breakfast. I don't think it's a healthy breakfast, but it's a proper one. Woo. So I wasn't really going to talk about the nuggets, but I saw him refrying it, like, you know, double fried, and the crust is just amazing. Let me hear it, if I can hear it. I hope you guys can hear it. Oh, was this a good nugget? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna finish this plate. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.